Wow. Right, good morning guys. It's a bright and breezy, not so bright actually, Tuesday morning, the 27th of January, and as you can see my hair is wet. That is because it's absolutely pouring down. Storm, whatever they call it, is hitting Yorkshire at the moment. There we go. Absolutely pouring down with very cold rain. So we're back on the biggest project ever that I've ever undertaken in my life, except for things I did in my teenage youth in construction companies when you had loads of people working. But here we are back in this project, top all projects, and you may remember me showing you the upstairs, and I said I had to get everything out, and I think one of the videos I took the boiler out, so I'm going to show you that now. I'm going to show you what I've done. So there's been a lot of people walking in and out, so I haven't been able to do much filming. So the roofers aren't here today because it's too bad outside, and this is what we've done. And there we go. So you may remember all the shelving that was across here, all the way around there. There was an office there. I took that out last week. Again, shelving all the way around here, round here, across there, through to there. So today I've got to take this little bridge thing down over the top of the staircase. I started doing it, but there was a lot of people running up and down the staircase at the time and didn't get a chance to do it, so I abandoned it and just continued with the office here. So there's some tables there that are out the office, and there's the window and the door. So there you go. So I'm going to show you the roof. I've had nothing to do with the roof. The roofers have been doing this. And this is it, still leaking in places. So I don't exactly know how far they've got because I haven't been up there. But they've been obviously putting the king span in. This is double layer king span, by the way. It's had one layer, it's had another layer in. You might be able to see some of that, I don't know. I think they did most of this on Friday. But you can hear it dripping down here. There's obviously still dripping around here. The electrics not switched them on, or the lighting, because it just blows, it just trips everything. But this is what it used to be, a furniture shop. You see this gilded sofa here. They've left that behind. I don't know how much that's worth. I know you can hear the rainwater coming down here. So they've put it into a hopper, so there you go. It's obviously working because you can hear the water running down. That's good, isn't it? Right, I'll take you downstairs now, show you the bits downstairs. That looks a lot different now. So you're going to carry on with doing this today. This is the downstairs. You see people have been walking up and down the staircase here. Here we are in the downstairs bit. A lot of the flooring's been taken up, all the plasterboard's out now. It's ready for the tanking process. So yeah, so they've been sorting the timber out here, so some of this timber's going back in as stud work, and this is a collection of memorabilia that's been found in the walls, like the old newspapers. It's an old brake disc there, lens off a car. Oh, that looks like I don't know what that's off actually. Bottles. This is number plate there. Honda sign. Yeah. And there's my hammer. Wondered where that had gone. somebody obviously decided that, oh, we like the look at that one. That cost me £3.95 on Huddersfield Market. Brilliant. Heirloom. So yeah, these electrics keep tripping. That one mainly on the lighting. The sockets seem to be fine. I've had to leave all this in simply because obviously all the electrics have been attached to it, and I've just said, look, I'm not taking that out unless an electrician takes all that stuff out. So yeah, so a lot of this wood here is being cut up into smaller pieces so that she could put it in a wood burner. But yeah, there's a damp guy mean to have a look at this as well. Nobody's got any ideas where that's coming from, but the water level never gets any higher than that, simply because it does run away. But there you go. But we'll see. We shall see what happens. Right, I better get some work done instead of prattling about down here. So let's get started. Let's get ready to rumble. So that concludes my day today. Bit of time lapse going on there, wasn't there? So I've got all this floor to take up. Just flip the camera around a minute. Yeah, so I started a bit just out of curiosity. So check that out there. Yeah. Obviously why they covered it up as well. And it probably made it easier as well to get all what they needed to run through for the machinery and everything. But there you go, this is all chipboard flooring as well, so it does need replacing because it's not really strong enough for what we need it to do. So as you can see, got all that out. So there's all that, I've just been sweeping up, getting everything into the middle, and yeah, so we'll see what happens. So yeah, tomorrow's another day, isn't it? And another day in the life of me. And it's absolutely freezing as well. Don't know if you heard about the storm. This is January the 27th, 2026. So the storm that's happening has obviously been through. They're expecting a little bit of snow as well. So we'll see what happens with that. Yeah, I'm going to lock up now, get off, because it's cold and I've had enough. So yeah, that's it for today. So this is me, Handy Andy, signing out of this job for today. I'll be back tomorrow to get this floor up. I've also got the ceiling things to take down as well tomorrow. So yeah, right. Yeah, that's me done for today. Thanks for watching the video. Big thank you to everybody who's subscribing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video if you can. And I will see you guys in another video very soon, no doubt. Check it out for now. This is me, Handy Andy, going home. Thanks for watching.